And salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Today is a rainy, actually, Southern California day, but I am very excited because we're in front of one of my favorite Goodwills. But if you guys love thrifting and you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale for my thrifting adventures. But with this is actually really cute. Do you think it works? No power. Oh, there's a bell from Beauty and the Beast. She's only $5.99. She's kind of cute. Talking ABC Elmo. Build or boom. Build it fast and make theirs blast. Oh my gosh, why would the kids actually really like this? $5. Okay, I told myself I wasn't going to buy them any more toys, but here I am buying toys. So I'm just going to hold them in my cart for a little while and ruminate over whether or not to make this purchase. But let's check out the rest of the store. Let's see what they have inside the case. That one's a pleather bag. There's a Coach. These two I think are from, what's it called? Target. Nothing too exciting in here. Maybe a Fossil wallet right there? Alright, let's do the handbags first and see what we can find here. Is this an Elliot Luca? No, it's leather. Looks like an Elliot Luca. Look at this. This is like kind of like Dior-ish, right? It's from BB. Like a horse design? Oh, this is leather. What is it, like 9 West? 9 West. Let's see what we have over here. Steve Madden. Minichi, Rossetti.
Boy, please.
Thought that was Rebecca Minkoff for a second. This is a Cole Haan for $5.99. The corners are really bad. Okay, that does it with the handbags. Did I just have a weird accent right now? Let's take a look at what it is I have today. Why is this thing kind of cool? Okay, so why do I kind of like this wreath? I'm like obsessed with the wreath. The sunflower one is also not too bad. Alright, let's see what they have on the carts that they just brought out. It's pretty interesting. Kind of like the shape and style of that. Owen? Is that someone's name? Custom design gifts. Oh, that is custom designed. Oh, these envelopes from Staples. I wonder how many are in here. $1.99. I think I found a Princess House thing. This is cute. Looking through the rest of these vases, see what they have. Oh, this thing is interesting. $7.99. This is glass. It's actually really cool. I kind of like it. Hey, look how cute these are. They're from Hearth and Hand. They're $5.99. which is a great deal. They're originally $20. And that's actually a good price because usually they only mark them half off of what they retail for at the store. So $5.99 is a good price for them, and they're like brand new, and they look like they don't actually have any damage to them. And these are really, really cute. These would be such nice gifts. Can you imagine? Like if you're doing like a housewarming gift or like a a hostess gift. You can just bring one of these and put a candle inside, and that would be so nice. So nice. Alright, let's see what else we can find here today. There's that accent again. Gee, oh, this is such a cute dog. $4.99. A little rabbit kid. Anything interesting in here? All these have already been picked over because I'm like a little bit late. I was a little late to the party this morning. But it's never too late to find treasures at the Goodwill. So, we got this, you guys. This is crystal. Whoa, that's actually really cool. There's another... Of course, whenever it's not in season, you know, that's when you find the good stuff for the holidays. I don't really feel like holding on to anything right now. Like that. Oh, Villery and Bach. I actually really like the look of this. With the pump. Yeah. This is cute. I think this is probably from Target. It's one of those... Oh, is this marble? Maybe? No, it's just like white. This is $5.99. I'm thinking that it might be from Target, but... Ooh, whoops. It might actually not be from Target. I just want to flip it and take a little look-see. Also, the other thing is the tape might actually remove some of the finish. Yeah, it's kind of... Well... Oh, it doesn't say where it's from. This is actually pretty cute though, like to have on a table. I know the kids would get a kick out of these things. If these were like stone, I would definitely have bought it, but they're wood, but I mean, it's still really nice. How much is it? $5.99? Some boxing gloves, some baseball. There's a basketball right there. Ooh, this is nice. How did I miss this? $20 though, you guys. Have I been zoomed in this whole entire time? I apologize profusely. Okay. We're on the other side of the tchotchke section. This is also from Target for sure. It's kind of cute. $7.99, originally $24.99. This is actually nice. I remember wanting one of these for a while, but they never came with the glass piece, and it was always just the wood part. And for some reason, they were always marked up intensely. I don't know, should I get it now though? I'm not sure. I don't even know if I'm going towards that look at the moment, but it's still pretty nice. Some taper candles. They kind of look a little melted together. Stop it. Elephant salt and pepper shakers. These are so adorable. Why do I love these kinds of things? What's wrong with me? You guys, check out these baskets. I don't know exactly what they say underneath. Oh, made in Italy. They're pretty nice. Like right now I have that wired chicken that holds the eggs, but can you imagine eggs in this? That'd be really cute. Okay. But be strong, Hadrian, you don't really need that. Unless I do decide to change out the chickens. I think my aunt wanted it, so I might even give it to her if she ends up wanting it. Chef's Collection by Circa. Hey, they have these Mickey plates. They're really like... No, Eliza, I have thrifted one of those for Eliza back in the day. I think maybe 2 years ago. Oh, these are those Crate and Barrel plates. Are they on sale? No, they're still not on sale. Look at these Martha Stewart bowls. These are pretty cute. I wonder if they have matching plates. Do you see the plates anywhere? Check it out, you guys. Some redone fun plates. These are the melamine plates. They're $1.99 each. I think these are from Marshalls. Or is that TJ Maxx? I forgot what sticker that is. Ooh, what's this? I don't think that's... It looked like Pampered Chef, but I don't think they do handles like that. No. La Campagne. Found this Pyrex piece. Has some wear on it. Don't be mad for me not buying it. But I have no clue about like those kinds of things. Alright, so I looked up these fun plates. The prices are all over the place. There's 4 for $22, $45, $26. So, but they are new still with tags on them. Alright you guys, so I am now in the mugs section, forever searching for the missing letter in my name that I'm trying to collect from Anthropologie. I still do not see it, though I did find this Starbucks mug right here, which is actually a pretty nice mug. It's nice and, you know, nice and plain looking, but like, you know, you gotta respect the nice, like the basic kind of like design of it. Oh, someone's playing music over there. There's also, I think this is also a Starbucks mug. This is actually really cute, and one I've never seen before, so I kind of want to get it, and it still has a sticker on it. So $9 originally, and it is Starbucks. I wanted to remove that sticker just so I can see through, because it was kind of like, you can kind of tell it was Starbucks. I just wanted to make sure. But yeah, new, originally $9, now $1.99. It's cute. You know what, I'm not gonna, oh, it's chipped right there. Okay, not gonna get it anymore. I was like, it's cute, I don't need more mugs. Story of my life. Hi, my name is Hadrian, and I'm a mugaholic. This little Uniqlo coffee cup. Huh. Did not know they had those. Is this a stand? Stop it, it is so festive. Hand wash. Oh, this is from Target. Why do I kind of really like this? Also, the color is blue. 50% off blue tags today. Yes. These Pyrex? I don't think so. But I thought they were. Hey, look, they have Minnie Mouse. Ooh, these are really dirty as well, and like a little crusty. That scared me. Ooh, that flower. Yes. Guys, check out what I just found. These redone bud vases. They're so cute. I love the one that says believe with a bee on it. That's my favorite. But I also do love the ones with the flowers. There's one with a bird, which I also really do enjoy. Oh my gosh, there's so many good things here today. I'm going crazy. Are these pizza stones? Okay, hold on. Let's try not to break everything. Oh, blimey. Okay, what do we have here? I'm looking for a new Peppered Chef pizza stone from Mum, because the one she has seen better days. This one is something, I can't read it, but I think this other one might be. Let's see what this one is. Pampered Chef, yes or no? The Pampered Chef, yes. I actually just remembered that I did get like at least one more. I might actually have two, and they're in the garage, so don't know why I forgot that, but I'm not gonna get that anymore. This thing is so pretty. It's either like Anthropologie or like Target or something. Nope. That's Hobby Lobby. It's pretty though, right? Originally $30. Here it's $5.99. This is cute too. Look at this little like stool thing. This is super duper cute. And it's $30. The print on it is pretty fun. That's from Target. I think this is pillow fort for Target. Yeah. Look at that. It's a whole little like kids activity table set. I wonder how much this guy is. This carpet is actually pretty nice. Blue and green. It's not that large though. Oh my gosh, I love that pillow. It looks like a sweater. Okay, these are literally the cutest pink little chairs ever. How much are they? Oh, they're $15. It's actually not too bad. I would actually prefer like those two cute little chairs and then like another little table instead of that other pillow fort set. Oh, that is a nice chair. It's Opal House too. I actually have this inside my room right now. The same way. Oh my gosh, time out. Why are these so expensive? And why did they write the price right on top? That's unfortunate, but these are so awesome. I hate when they do things like that. And then when you try to remove it, it might actually remove the finish. It probably actually will remove the finish. I actually got I got one of those wood things from Goodwill too, but it's a different kind. It looks like more natural, like a petrified wood instead. That one was such a good deal. I think I got it for maybe $15, but that was last year, I think around October when I got it. They still have the two of those chairs that I almost bought. I almost got 4 of them, but I ended up leaving them. They have one of those derma suction machines. It's only 10 bucks. It like sucks out your blackheads. Alright, you guys, just got back inside the car. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. We found some primo stuff and I can't wait to share with you guys what I ended up getting. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell notification button to be notified when the haul video does go up. Don't forget to check out today's vlog. It's up at 2. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later.